And welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Now, despite a pronouncement last week from Jamaica Football Federation General Secretary Dalton Wint that a JFF steering committee could take over the job of seeking sponsorship for the Premier League competition, the body currently responsible for doing so, the PLCA, says that will not be the case.
Cease and desist. That was the order given to the PLCA by the JFF General Secretary Dalton Wint. The cease and desist order has since been lifted, with the PLCA once again in charge of sponsorship. But according to PLCA Chairman Mike Henry, there was no way they were going to sit aside and watch the JFF run the show.
More than lifted, I rejected it, and I will reject it openly, strongly, right? Okay, that the PLCA will remain, right, functional, right, as a structured organization, right, within the structure of Premier League football.
According to Henry, after constant dialogue with JFF President Michael Ricketts, he got the feeling there's a disconnect with the General Secretary.
And in the context of it, I try to keep the President fully informed as to where I'm heading, right? So that we can be on the same page. Because I believe I should keep it at President to President, if you want to put it that way, right? Because the General Secretary has a job to do, right? And I am not clear what it is, right? The General Secretary seems to know something or don't know something. I don't know. I can't speak to the gentleman about that, right?
Referees' payment has been a stumbling block for the PLCA, but they're trying to get the JFF to foot the bill from the yearly FIFA grant for the top league in the country.
50,000 US is what I understand is come to the JFF, right? Okay? Which could be earmarked, and I'm using could because I'm going as cautiously as I still have things to learn and see which documents were signed where or what, okay? But that 50,000 is supposed to be for your top league.
According to Henry, ensuring the integrity of the league requires the JFF and not the PLCA to foot the bill.
If the PLCA is ending up paying the referees, you can influence them? So shouldn't, for the whole transparency and etc., for you to ask another body to do that? And I think that's what FIFA inclines, and I think that's how the English Premier League is. But you can't do that if in the end you're talking about seeking the same sponsors or what have you, and not accountable for everything that you do.
Henry took over as the PLCA chairman following Edward Siaga's death, but while some members were calling for a younger leader, Henry comes in at 85, just 4 years younger than Siaga.
Well, I have not, you're raising a challenging point in my life, you know. I'm healthy.
The Premier League is scheduled to kick off on September 1. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.